In this video, I will demonstrate submitting DNA requests to NADR from GMS. From the menu, I will select the NADR page. By default, you will see animals that are born within the last 12 months and do not have a NADR number listed in their profile. If you would like to submit sample requests for animals older than 12 months, click Show All Ages. From this list of animals, I can choose an individual animal or multiple animals, depending on the comparison sires and dams. If they are going to be the same, I could submit multiple fawns. If I want to select specific sire and dam comparisons for individual animals, then I can select a single animal. Here I'm going to build a comparison list for the fawn or fawns. I can add individually sires from a list or search. Once I've selected the animal, click plus to add it to the comparison list. Another way to add animals is from a group. So if I've created a group previously of 2024 AI sires, I select that group and click Add all sires from selected group with this plus G button. If there are any in this group that I do not want to compare to, I can remove them. Another way to add animals to this comparison list is from a pin. So in this case, I'm going to select pin 1 and choose all possible dams from that pin to add to the comparison list. Now I have sires and dams added to compare. The next thing I need to do is select a specimen type. I'm choosing tissue, and then a submission option. This is where I indicate that I want parentage plus GBV. I can also click IBC if I would like to include that test in my request. So now I have fawns that I've selected. I have a tissue and DNA profile and compare with GBV selected. These are the comparison animals that I want to include. If I have any additional notes, I can add them here, such as comparing to the inventory of another farm. Now I click Add To, and I see these animals listed here with an envelope number. This envelope number is the key to match the sample to the submission record that NADR receives. If I needed to start over, I could remove one of these from the list. But if I'm ready to submit, I select all and click to NADR. Once these have been submitted to NADR, I can find them on the submission report, which is on this reports page. Click NADR Submissions, and you'll see the submissions that you've created along with the envelope numbers for you to list on the samples. Once the DNA results are available, go back to the NADR page. I will click From NADR to download the submission results. Once those results are downloaded, I will see NADR numbers in the animal profile along with the sire and dam selection.